Hi, this is Andrew Moore Crispin, and you're watching How Do I Use Windows Phone 7 on Butterscotch.com. Today we're taking a look at the browser and maps on Windows Phone 7. So conveniently enough, our browser is already pinned to our Start menu here. By default, it comes with Internet Explorer. Now see our previous episode of this series for details on using the Marketplace, where you can actually download other browser options. We found IE has been pretty sufficient so far. So here we can see our homepage, which in this case is Butterscotch.com. At any time, we can choose to add a page to our favorites. So just tap on this button here. We can choose to change the title or the URL, hit OK, and it's added to our favorites. We can also tap up here to manually and directly input a URL. Just use the keyboard like you normally would. We can refresh the page by tapping this icon up here. We can also see our favorited pages by tapping on the star icon here. See all the pages that we've added. And we can also see any tabs that we have open by pressing on this icon here. So here you can see we have the current Butterscotch.com site, and we also have the beta site. Now we can also dig into a little bit of detail here. We can choose to share a page, that's via email. We can search for an item on a page, which is a nice touch, something that's all too often missing on smartphones. We could also choose to pin a page to our Start, which is a nice touch, so we'll have a look at that. And now our page will actually appear here on our Start menu. Now sometimes you're going to want to clear your browser history. We'll show you how to do that. If we tap over here or swipe, go back down into Settings. Now we go into the Applications panel, which you see here. Now we choose Internet Explorer. We can choose to allow cookies. We can choose to let Bing suggest sites as we type. And in this case, we can delete our history here. So we can just tap on Delete History. We'll be asked once if we're sure. Say yes. There we go. Our history is deleted, so no one will know the sites we've been browsing. Now we'll take a quick look at the Maps application, which is also pre-built into the home screen. We'll find it down here. Now this service uses Bing Maps. We're not going to allow it to use our location in this case because our battery is getting low and we're also indoors, so it's not really going to make any difference. We can choose to start. So basically, this is getting directions. We can set a start and an end location, and we'll actually get mapped. We can tap on this button here, and that will actually locate us on the map. And we can tap this button here to search for just a location. So for example, we could search for 96 Mowat Avenue. So here we see a view of our office on Bing Maps. As always, the three buttons or the three dots in the lower right will allow us to delve into some of the settings and more detailed options. We can clear our map. We can change the view. We can also choose to show traffic from Bing, and we can mess around with some of the settings in here. And this is basically just things like allowing it to use our location, which we've already declined a couple times, and deleting our history, which we can do right here. So that's a look at the browser and the Maps application on Windows Phone 7. For How Do I on Butterscotch.com, I'm Andrew Moore Crispin. Thanks for watching.